Welcome to AlphaCars Motorcycles. Today we're taking a close look at this 2018 Mercedes CLS 550 4MATIC with only 50,000 miles on it. This vehicle only had 2 previous owners, and it has an extensive service history shown on the Carfax report through the Mercedes dealer network. In this video, we're going to take a close look at the exterior and the interior of this CLS and really just appreciate how nice of a condition it's in. This vehicle is for sale here at AlphaCars. You can view the detailed listing on our website, alphacars.com, where you can view things like the paint meter readings for each individual panel, as well as the remaining tire and brake life, and the full high-resolution detailed set of photos. We do offer transportation as well, so keep that in mind. If you're not local to us here in New England, we can still deliver this Mercedes right to you. But now let's take a closer look at the CLS 550. Let's start by doing an exterior walk around. We can admire how clean and glossy this gray metallic paint is. This car has over $8,000 in factory options, including the Premium 2 package, AMG line, the parking assist package, lane tracking, and a active multi-contour driver's seat, which adds massaging and additional adjustments, to the driver's seat. So whether you're driving or a passenger in the CLS, it is just such a nice place to be. So now let's take a closer look at the exterior. We've done our little walk around here. Let me get the camera set up a bit better for this. And starting at the front of the vehicle, no considerable pitting or rock chips or anything like that. As you can see, the headlight lenses look very clear. The lower edges of the bumper are very clean. Checking out the hood condition, it is very glossy. Factory Mercedes glass there. Windshield has no damage to it either. And seeing the roof and the sunroof there and our little shark fin antenna. Really, from every angle, it presents very well. Now let's go down the side of the panel, and as we make our way back, we can see if there's any dings or scratches by how the panel reflects the light. And now the top of the trunk here, and now finally going down our passenger side. Metal panels here. All looks very nice. We have these nice 5-spoke AMG wheels. And now moving to the back, another gorgeous AMG wheel in nice condition. Same thing right here. And now rounding out at the driver's front wheel. This vehicle does have some just previous cosmetic refinishing on a couple panels, I believe. It's on this side of the car, a little bit of this side of the fender and door and hood. And it all looks very nice. You would really never tell unless we told you, but we are full transparency here. And I just want to note that. And in the listing, you can view the paint meter readings. They are pretty close to factory, but they are a little higher as you would expect. But out here looking at the car, you would never know. You would have to have someone tell you that it had, just due to the cosmetic imperfections, it had a little bit of cosmetic refinishing there. And just before we get into the trunk, looking at the rear of the car, some sporty vents in the bumper there. Everything looks great. I don't even see really any imperfections here from lifting things in and out of the trunk. All we have to do is tap the button there and we're right into the trunk. It also has the auto closer, which I will show you when we're done back here. We've got all of the factory mats, which I'll take out here kind of one by one. Here's the driver's mat. A little bit of wear on there, but that's what the mat is there for, to take the wear rather than the vehicle carpet. Now looking into the cargo space here. Spacious trunk, and the seats do fold down a 60/40, and we do have the power outlet back here as well, which is convenient. And I love this sort of cargo box here. This rolls out and then you push this down And you've got your compartment to put your groceries in or whatever, and then you just push this button here and it comes right up and you just roll it or push it back in. Super cool. Let's open up the trunk floor here. Sorry about the camera angle. And just very clean back here. I believe that's the auxiliary battery for the car and the, of course, spare tire in the toolkit with the jack there. Now that the floor mats are back in the car, one push of the button here, and it closes very smoothly. Now getting into the back of the CLS, I love the trim package this car has. It's really quite nice looking. We see some of that same trim in the center covers there. And there is the ambient lighting as well, even in the lower part of the doors here. We can see some of that start to kick on. And just looking at the seating surfaces back here, I don't see any abnormal wear or tear. Let's pull down our center armrest. We've got storage in here as well as some cup holders. And then you can put this back down and enjoy your cup holders there. But now as I put this back together carefully, we can show some more storage here. So instead of the 5th passenger, you've just got some storage, additional cup holder here as well, and the 12-volt outlet. So really just a nice place to be, as I've mentioned, in the back of the CLS. And now opening the passenger side rear door, just giving you a view of everything from here. It's all as you would expect, in really nice condition. Same thing with the door panel. And even all the edges of the doors and everything are all very clean and corrosion free. Now as we get into the front of the vehicle, we've got 3 memory settings for the front passenger seat here. And look at how nice all of the armrests are and how the door is sort of upholstered. It's just, you get in this car and it's immediately you're relaxed and ready for the journey. Looking at the seat condition, looks really nice. Dash, trims, everything, buttons as you would expect, very well taken care of. And we've got the center armrest here that opens like so. On these cars, always check that this works smoothly, and this one does. And there's some additional storage and some media inputs just there, so that's cool. Now getting the camera to look up, we've got the moon roof just here. I can put our little sunshade there as well. And the headliner, everything's in great condition as you would expect. Now if we open up our glove box, we've got the factory booklets and manual there. You can view the picture of that on the online listing on AlphaCars.com. And I love this. We have the storage net, and we also have this sort of band that you can kind of tighten and adjust. Let me get a better angle for you. So you can really adjust this in and out. And I think that's perfect to kind of adjust it as you would need to get like a big water bottle right there, then it won't roll around or fall down. I know that's a problem I have in my car. I wish my car had that. I'm someone who always has the water bottle with me, and it tends to fall and roll around the floor because it's too big for any real cup holder. But enough of that. Now back to, we're at the driver's side. 3 position memory there, and even look at all the buttons and all the points that would be the common touch points. It's all in very nice condition. And looking at the driver's seat now, once again, no abnormal wear or tear. All the bolstering looks nice. And now looking to the dash here and the steering wheel. Let me take a seat in the car. Got our center infotainment screen. This car does have 2 factory keys with it. So now I'm going to shut the door, and immediately all the outside noise is just gone. You barely even hear the cars going by here. So now foot on the brake and push the engine start button. Fire everything right up. Car runs super smooth, idles smooth, always starts right up. 51,005 miles at the date of making this video. And now looking at the screen here, I've got it on our 360 camera view, our top-down view. Super cool, everything you can do with that. I can even go over, well, I can go to navigation. We can just show that works great. We're right here in Boxborough. And what I was going to show you is there's a shortcut button for the seat. There's all sorts of different ways you can adjust it, but the most important one here is massage. There's different kinds here. We have relaxing, mobilizing, classic, and activating. I guess we'll go with classic and fire that up there. So now I'm going to be extra relaxed, I guess, while making the video. But going through all the controls here, this is for the rear shade. So if I press that, we can watch the rear sunshade go up as designed. And I'll show you it going back down. There we go. Of course, this is a condition overview of the car. It's why I'm just confirming all this works. I can confirm the seat massage is working great. Both front seats are also heated and ventilated, which it works great on both sides. I did confirm. We've got our dual zone climate control, some storage cup holders, and of course our center armrest storage compartment. And this vehicle does have the air suspension, so we've got some settings there between comfort and sport. And these are just the different driving modes as well. Now let's look at the steering wheel condition to round out the interior. All the buttons, everything present really well. No considerable wear, anything like that. Nice flat bottom steering wheel. Nice kind of diameter as well. It's very satisfying to use, and it's got the sporty paddle shifters as well. Everything is looking great. Now with the engine running, kind of idling, you can see opening the door, we get all the ambient lighting that shows up in the car. But let's pop the hood and take a look at this V8. And we can see the nice stainless steel finished pedals. And as I find the little red latch, I'll pull that. And we can open this right up. And now taking a look inside the engine bay, we've got the twin turbo V8. And everything is just super happy in here, very clean. All the fasteners and factory stickers are all there. No corrosion. All of the engine covers and components are nice and clean, with no funny business going on, so to speak. And it's just idling very smoothly and happily. Let's give it a listen for a second. So now that we've taken a full look at this beautiful CLS 550, reach out to us if you are interested, and remember, we do offer the transportation as well. So this has been Ian reporting from our Boxborough location. Thanks for watching the video. If you enjoyed it, please leave a like and subscribe so then you don't miss out on the latest motoring content.